We're out on Heart Lake, about to catch some big ones with Sam and Josh. Oh! Yes, Josh! Okay. That's actually a good one, dude.
That's decent.
That's a really good one.
Dude, we can actually eat tonight.
We can eat tonight. You want me to hold it and you can get... Oh, there it is.
Try not to hook me while you're doing that. That was good. Okay, if you want a picture with it? A grassy bass? You sure?
Touch its scales. That's what it wants you to do.
Touch its scales. Hey, give it a sniff. Give it a sniff. Sniff inside of it.
It's actually not bad.
I know.
Just put it in there. Just let it.
Make him swim out here.
Ooh, look at that shot.
Put it right down its mouth.
Dude, that's beauty, dude.
This is how long have we been out here? We've been out here for like 5 minutes. That's sick.
Dude, do not rub these the wrong way.
They'll stab you.
That's bone.
Look, he's staring me down. All right, we gotta get a good clean release. You hold it like that when you release it, or by the?
It doesn't matter. You can toss them in. You can drop them in. You can let them in and let them swim off. You can also do that. That works.
Dude, I just was kind of.
I know. I saw it.
I was whipping it back and forth and.
See, once you play with it.
Yeah, so ratty.
Just walk where the nails are.
Whoa, that's kind of trippy.
Did you get one?
I think it just kind of bit it. It never was actually on there.
Oh, got one. Oh, I got one. Holy crap, dude. Yes. It doesn't know it's hooked though. No, it came off.
No.
Frick.
Trolled.
You just got trolled.
No, I didn't. I just stuff just doesn't. I don't know. Oh, I'm trying to challenge myself today. I'm using it's what I think 6 or 8 pound line with a 5. Wait, how long is this? Yeah, 5 foot ultralight rod. Not ultralight. It's just light. And I want to see if I can't catch a 4 or 5 pound bass on this bad boy right here. I'm using a little bait, little chartreuse. No, so they're up shallow. They should be. Dude, if I catch one on this, I'm gonna go nuts. This is 6 pound line with a light rod. So I'm gonna start heading that way. Hey Sham Outwish, did you get one? It's the ground, probably. Yeah. That's embarrassing. Ha! That's right. I just made fun of you. Gosh, there is no wind over here. It's crazy. Oh my gosh! Josh, what the heck? That bait works pretty good, huh? He what? Oh my gosh. That was a quick hook set. Were you playing with it again? Please tell me you... Oh my. When we actually fish...
Just like I was reeling it in, but then like...
When we actually fish for some, we don't catch them, but when we play with the baits, it works.
Tiny.
Okay.
He was just like licking me.
All right, you want to release him?
Yeah. Dude, it was kind of like I was reeling it and then I literally had it right here. I was pulling it in. As I was pulling it in, I felt him I saw him chasing.
Oh my.
I was like, I'm gonna reel it. I'm just gonna take it back the other way.
There we go. That was pretty good, Josh. Got one! Oh, it's a dink! Woo! Oh, the challenge is complete! Holy dude. Tiny little bass. Oh man, that's awesome. Gone. Just like that. All right, so at this point in time, I have one dink because I made a little challenge of my own, an ultralight 6-pound line. It was my river rod. Josh has 2 on the little chartreuse bait, and Sam has 0. We're having fun. I think we've been out here for an hour and a half. I'm trying to catch one on the rattle trap. Gosh, this wind is probably horrible. I don't know if you can hear me. Ah! Okay, I've been fishing since my last fish. Haven't really caught anything. There is a storm moving in right up there. You know, if I don't, like, it's right there, it's coming in. The wind is insane right here. It's just ripping through right through here. I don't know if we'll be catching any more fish from here on out, but I'm content with what we've caught. It's becoming spring, baby. We can get some fish in. I need to quit, I just need to shut up, and hopefully I can get on some more fish while my friends roam around on the 4-wheeler.
We were out at the farm, caught 70,000 fish today, and we were tired from school. We decided we were going to eat fish the rest of our lives and grow fat and old together.
How we can't use that.
Shab!
Let's just shout out to my boy.
Clayton caught 5
Danny
fish
Duncan.
with